Hi, welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. That's Terrence there. We just came from the post office, and we got a letter here. This is from John S. Thank you, sir. What's that, darling?
I'm trying to get it out of the envelope, honey.
Can I be the one to open? We hold the camera. Don't show the address.
There is no address.
There is a name. And that's your name.
I don't know. What?
You hold the camera so it's quicker.
Oh, this is bigger than my phone.
Yeah.
Looks really nice.
Oh, it's an envelope. Here, for Taliklik. This is for Taliklik.
Okay.
For Nanay.
No,
For
if it's for
Nanay.
Nanay, don't open it.
That's why I didn't open it. For Manang Lina. Thank you, Sir
Don't
John
open
S.
it.
For Terrence and Beth, and I'm gonna open it. I think it's a Christmas greeting. Merry Christmas, John, and Happy New Year. Yeah, it's a Christmas greeting. We're gonna have dogs soon. Huh? Thank you, John, thank you for the gift. Dear Terrence and Beth, I am wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I will pray for you, your child, and I'm sorry to hear Beth may not have any candy. I think one piece will be okay. There is not much around. Here. If I had a new roof put on the house this year, totaled my touch about 1 month ago. What do you call? Best wishes, John S. Christmas brings out the best in all of us. Merry Christmas, John S. There's always a room for a house for you. No problem. There's always been your family. Thank you. Yeah, so